Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do a collab post on the Instagram. So if you want to do a collab post on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and search for the Instagram and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Once you will do it, go back, open your Instagram and log into your account. Then you have to create a new post by clicking on it. Once you will do it, now click on this arrow, again click on this arrow. Once you will do it, here you will see tag people. Simply here you will find two options. One option is tag people, other option is invite collaborator. So simply you have to click on the invite collaborator and invite the person you want to do a collab. So once you will do it, click on this tick button and post it. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.